How to translate YouTube videos to different languages. First, open YouTube. After you have opened YouTube, search for the video that you want to watch. For this example, let's search for some Mr. Beast videos, since he is the biggest YouTuber in the world. Click on one of his videos. Once the video starts playing, you may go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right. This will show you several options, but we're going to look for the one that says Audio Track. Click on Audio Track, and you will see a list of available languages that you can choose from. For example, let's choose the Spanish language, and you will notice that after selecting Spanish, the video will be translated into Spanish as if it was originally recorded in that language. I hope you find this feature helpful. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave a comment, and I will get back to you as soon as possible.